Hello and welcome to the new Power Query tutorial video. And in this Power Query tutorial video, I want to show you some of the scientific functions like trigonometry functions specifically related to the data set if you have in the hand which require some trigonometry operation, then how you can do that. So something which is good to know, sort of a function if you are a beginner, so that you are aware where it is present and how you can utilize it. Okay. But before that, if you have landed very first time on my channel, then you should know about this dataset folder link which is present in the description. Within that, the dataset I usually use is the Power BI Superstore dataset, which is in the Power BI folder under the datasets. That is number one. Number two is about this Google Sheet, for which also the link is present in description. There I have, since I have 280 plus videos, that's why searching all of my videos becomes really difficult if you're looking for any specific one. Then you can come onto the sheet, search based on the video title that I have, and the link is present in column B. That way you can jump onto that video and get your desired video very easily. Also, you can see the difficulty level in the topic category just so that it is helpful for your learning perspective. So make sure you bookmark it and use it whenever you need it. Okay, with that, let's come back and let me show you how you can do that. So let's say we have this numeric column. Quantity, not a very good example, but just for the sake of example, we will come over here and transform menu, and in the trigonometry we have these functions. So sine function, what it does, it basically converts everything into a sine, or let's say you want to convert anything into a cosine, this is changed to cosine. Similarly, if you see, you have tan or tangent is something you want, you can get the tangent. I know not very useful, but those who really needs to use it, who are into the profession where all of these functions are used day in, day out, like sine, arcsine, cosine, arccosine, tangent, arctangent, all of that becomes really easy with the help of the trigonometry functions which are present here, right? And also in some of the very advanced visualizations, right, where you need to create a custom shapes, that's where also trigonometry is used a lot to get the desired output. So that is something which I wanted to show you. It's present. You can go ahead and use it based on the business case you have in the hand and get the desired output. All right, with that, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.